Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we will show you our CONETEKS 2.13 SF attachment in forest. As you will be able to see in this video, we will be grinding up cleared forest land with stumps up to 1 meter diameter. Stumps, root systems, fallen down trees. We will push down some trees as well. As you will see, you can push down a tree up to 25 centimeters diameter and grind it all up in the ground. We have 3 variations of rotors. So one is for soil conditioning. It goes up to 15 centimeters in depth. The other one is for bushes and bush stump systems and root systems. It goes in depth of 20-25 centimeters in the ground. And we have the third option, which is full-on forest rotor that goes in depth of 30 up to 35 centimeters in the ground, so you can grind all the big stumps and its root systems. The before and after result is just unimaginable. It looks so good. The maintenance for this attachment is extremely cheap and you can do so much work with it in conditions where no one else can. We are working this forest land and grinding big stumps and its root systems like it was nothing. And of course we make all videos in real time, so you can see for yourselves the real speed that this attachment can produce in these conditions. All this forest land was mulched down to the ground last year, so now we are dealing with the stumps and the root systems and grinding all the ground up to 25 centimeters deep. On this job we are planning to grind everything up, make it all level and flat, so we can put some new tree seeds in. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions. I will leave a number and contact information at the end of the video.